Hey everybody, Pat with Bird Brain Gardening again. It's that time of year, it's spring, so we're going to start fresh with our gardens this year. I'm doing something a little different this time. This year it's time for me to go ahead and amend my soil, and I'm going to use some compost and manure on this bed right here and this bed up here. I've got another one back there that we'll cover later in another video. FYI, guys and girls, do not use manure in any bed that you're going to grow food below ground. You will not like the taste. Be back in a minute. Okay, so we have our compost and manure unbagged and laid into the bed. The next thing we're going to do is till it into the soil. I don't have to go real deep with this, because remember, I'm just amending the soil. So I'm adding nutrients back into this garden, because this garden is on year number 3. So all I have to do is just turn the tiller on and let it do its magic. And what I'm going to do is, instead of going light with that till, I'm going to raise these wheels up and go a little bit deeper like I did on my second pass. So just like that. Just let that fill in and blend it into the existing soil to add nutrients in here for the plants we're going to put in this garden bed itself. We'll have green beans, tomatoes, and probably squash in it. Okay, so we have our compost and manure amended into this bed. The next thing we're going to do is we'll cut our furrows in where our furrows are a little higher between rows, and we want furrows wide enough that I can walk between them. Once we do that, we're going to lay landscape fabric on top of all of this. Stake it down and cut holes in that fabric on top of our furrows for our seeds and plants. That way, we won't have to deal with weeds this year. So right now, I'm just raking out this bed nice and smooth before I build my furrows. So I just use an old-fashioned garden rake and just smooth that land out. All you really got to do. In the process, I'm going to rake out some of this trash and put it on my burn pile. And get this bed ready for its furrows, because my furrows are going to run this way. So we just do this. We'll finish this up, and then we'll come back with the furrows. Okay, so we officially have 9 furrows in this bed, from here to there, possibly a 10th one, which I'll work on later. So tomorrow we'll run to Lowe's and get some landscape fabric and cover all this. Once we do that, then we'll cut our holes for all of our plants and start planting. And from there, you'll start seeing progress as videos continue. Y'all, thanks for watching. Have a great day. God bless. Don't forget the like and subscribe button. See you later.